Are you frustrated that Do Not Disturb on your Samsung phone is stopping important calls from coming through? That's because Do Not Disturb silences all notifications unless you customize it. Hi, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to let certain contacts reach you even when Do Not Disturb is turned on. Let's dive right in. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Notifications, scroll down again, then tap on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down once again, then tap on Call and Messages. After that, tap on Add Contacts. Now choose the important contacts you want to allow during Do Not Disturb. Like I'm going to choose anyone from here, then tap Done from the bottom. Here it is. Alright everyone, that's how you let specific contacts ring or call you even when Do Not Disturb is on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.